Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have a new product from a new company called, what the hell is it called? Kufeng. Kufeng. Oh, Kufeng. Kufeng. Whatever it's called. But nonetheless, it's an LED light. Comes as a 4-pack. This is my first time I'm actually supporting this particular company. It's an interesting light. It's like a street light. And this is it here. This is a very interesting product. So you put together like so and mount it any way you wish. So it is straight or angled or whatever you want to do. With these little notches in here. You have screws that put this together. And you can mount this in any direction you want. And it comes with the wall mount part here. And you could mount it on the side. And any direction you want. It comes with all the brackets you need. And screws and whatnot. And I think it's pretty good. Interesting light combination. So, interesting enough, I actually can show you how these work now. On dim and the side lights are on. Motion. You have the side lights on without the dim of the main LEDs until there's motion. Then everything goes on. You have always on. Doesn't matter. And then off. So those are the modes. The light is impressive. That's all 4 over my head. I guess it's bright. It's brighter than the other ones, maybe. Maybe I overlooked it. Maybe they deserve it. Maybe they do deserve the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. They are bright. I guess if you have this many of them, you will get the lighting that you need. Maybe 2 on each side of the gazebo. They may work if it's wood, because then you can screw right to it. Seeing it on the screen there, it's quite bright. And I could do the review with my hands in the air like this. Hey, I give up. 5-star rating. Not a JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, because you need to have soldering skills. So, and hopefully you won't be able to damage it. The positive and the negative are completely 2 different spots, so they designed it poorly in terms of inside electronics. I will have pictures of this to show this. So, since the light has the great capability, it's just that it is user replaceable, but you need a little soldering skills to do it. So it is a 2200 milliamp battery, 18650 battery. It'll be a little bit harder to replace than normal. But it is replaceable. So if you're handy, it can be done. So I really can't say it's a JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating 100% because it requires soldering skills now. That's a little disheartening. I was hoping, but I like the LED thing though. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you want to become a member, I have the join button below. Become a member. Take care, and we'll see you next time.